Welcome to this video. In this short video, I will share with you 4 tips that you can utilize from today to prepare for the next US residency match. Regardless of your specialty, either internal medicine, family medicine, these 4 tips are applicable for all applicants who are preparing for next year match. So let's begin. First, organize all of your documents like MSPE, transcript, because getting all those documents from your medical school, particularly if you are the international medical graduate, it takes so much long time than your prediction. I can tell you from my personal experience that when I was preparing for my residency application, I asked them far ahead. So do not wait for the last moment. This is the right time to request for your MSPE transcript from your medical school so that you can make sure that you have all the documents before your application time. The second tips is clinical experience. I cannot tell you how much important is clinical experience. Definitely, USMLE scores are important, no doubt about it. At the same time, program directors want to have those candidates who are familiar with US health system. So try to have clinical experience, either externships or observership, so that you can put it in your ERA CV. As now COVID situation is getting better, majority of the hospital, they are trying to open up the opportunity for observership and externship. So take this opportunity and try to have at least few months of hands-on clinical experience. Third tips will be research experience. It could be either voluntary or paid. Reality is getting the opportunity for paid research position, it's not always very easy, but do not give up. If you are not having the paid research opportunity, reach out to faculty to get voluntary research opportunity. Because in this way, you will be able to build up your CV, you will learn how they are doing the research, and most importantly, you will be able to build professional relationship with all the faculty members. That will be very helpful during your interview time because they can help you to get the interviews, as well as you will be able to get US letter of recommendations. The final tips is right now, start working on your personal statement and ERA CV. You may say, oh, it's very early. No, it's not. Because writing a outstanding ERA CV, writing a wonderful personal statement takes much more time and effort than you will imagine. I can share you my experience that when I was preparing for my application of US residency matching, I started to work on my ERA CV and personal statement almost 8 months before the application time, because it will give you that extra time to brainstorm, edit, modify your ERA CV personal statement. So hopefully you will find these 4 tips helpful for your matching process. At the end of the day, remember, you came so far because of your capability, your dedication, your hard work. And if you continue to do that, you will be able to achieve that dream position of your US residency matching. I wish you all the best, and I will see you in the next video. Please like this video, share with your friends whom you believe will be benefited from this message. Thank you so much for watching this video.